All the 90 members of the 7th-term Legislative Council of China's Hong Kong Special Administrative Region have been elected by Monday morning. President of think tank Wisdom Hong Kong Chow Pak Chin says, "The success of this election is a milestone in the implementation of the one country, two systems."
This is the first electrical election after the implementation of the improvement of electoral system in Hong Kong. The special feature is this. We try to first achieve only patriots will administer Hong Kong. The success of this election is a milestone in the implementation of the one country, two system. What is patriots? Patriots is one who loves our country and love Hong Kong. They should respect our nation. They should embrace the returning of sovereignty to China. Also, they must not impair the development and the prosperity of Hong Kong. So first, we have to make sure they are patriots. And second, we have enlarged our covering of the citizen to let more voices to go to the administration. This is very important because Hong Kong is not an isolated place. We have no natural resources, but we have a very strong backing, our mother country. We must have good cooperation, understanding, and trust between Hong Kong and the mainland.